how to delete a Microsoft account from your laptop in Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up the Start menu on your computer, and then just go and load up your settings. Now from the left hand side, you're going to see this email address. Now this is because we're currently signed in to a Microsoft account, but I'm going to show you how you can go and remove this and just use a local account on your computer instead. So over on the left hand side, click on Accounts, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Your Info. You can then scroll down to Microsoft Account, and here you'll have the option to stop signing in to Microsoft apps automatically. So if you go ahead and click on this, you can see what happens is it will change the account on our computer to a local account instead. So now that we've removed the Microsoft account from our PC, we can just go and sign in to our laptop without requiring a Microsoft account. Now, if you want to sign back into your Microsoft account in the future, you can always click on the sign in with a Microsoft account, and that's how to delete a Microsoft account from your Windows 11 PC.